Welcome to Excel Wheeze. In this video, I will show you how to highlight past dates in Excel and Google Sheets. As you can see, it's difficult to do it manually, and when you have a large data set, it becomes impossible. To make it easier, we are going to use conditional formatting. So the first thing you need to do is to highlight the dates. Next, click on Conditional Formatting under the Home tab. Then select Highlight Cell Rules. Enter this section, select less than, and type the following formula. This formula returns the current date. Finally, click OK, and all your past dates will be highlighted. Now, let's look at how to highlight past dates in Google Sheets. We are going to apply the same method, but as you know, Excel and Google Sheets are slightly different. First, highlight all the cells containing dates. Then click on Format and select Conditional Formatting. On the Conditional Format rules on the right, select Format Cells if date is before. On the next section, select if the date is before today or choose your custom date. Finally, click Done, and all the days before the today or your custom date will be highlighted. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.